Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But today I want to get things updated, not really the right word, more so confirmation would be an accurate word. And the main point of confirmation is in regards to this green line that I drew and this level of support we've been talking about at 285. And this has been, more so that ideal level where if the price can stay above there, that would make the chart look very powerful. And the bulls did a fantastic job of that. So I realized that from kind of the big picture of things, okay, the price really didn't do much. But I would disagree with that. The price did do a lot. And what do I mean by a lot? Well, it maintained above that level of support. Now, don't get me wrong, just because it maintained above there does not mean that, tomorrow this thing's going to be up at $3.75. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that, given the big move that the price is, already gone under, and to think that it's only pulled back that amount, if it can continue to quote unquote only pull back that amount, that would be extremely impressive. So 285 has been that ideal level of support, meaning, hey, if the price stays above there, best case scenario. And the bears tried multiple times today to press down through there, but the bulls are doing a good job of holding strong. Next level of support in the event 285 can't hold, keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And then after the 50 period, keep an eye on the 277-ish area of support. But that's always the good thing about, making nice strong moves like this. It tends to create quite a bit of areas of support. And there's 3 in the pretty near term. Again, 285, 50 period simple moving average, and then down there at 277. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still the red line up there remains the key battleground, and that's up there right around $3, give or take a couple pennies. So sure, today may have seemed kind of boring, lackluster, but I'd argue that it was actually a very powerful day on the bulls' part. So we'll see if they can build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.